Is your cleaning business constantly in chaos? Schedules shifting, clients complaining, and you're running around putting out fires? Today, I'm breaking down my top three chaos traps that keep cleaning businesses stuck and what to do instead. I'm Tina Service, and welcome back to my channel. All right, so reason number one, constant turnover. Here's the truth. Your workforce will never be completely stable. Whether you're using employees or independent contractors, people move, they get sick, or they stop taking jobs. This mistake that most owners make is they wait until they're desperate to replace someone. That's when they grab them off themselves and they dive back into the field. The fix, always keep your pipeline full. Recruiting contractors or employees should be like marketing, never stop. When you expect churn, you're never blindsided by it. Reason number two, weak systems. Chaos doesn't happen because the universe hates you. It happens because the system is missing. First-time clients are underpriced. That's a pricing system issue. Clients are upset about missed details. That's a communication systems issue. Chaos every time someone quits. That's a recruiting system issue. The fix, every time chaos repeats, don't complain. Ask yourself, what system is missing here? And then you build it. Owners who think like system builders escape chaos. Owners who keep reacting stay stuck forever. Reason number three, discount-driven problem solving. When something goes wrong, most owners panic and throw out discounts. Sorry about that, let me take $20 off. Sorry about that, let me give you a free cleaning. That feels quick in the moment, but it's actually creating more chaos. Clients start expecting freebies and you're bleeding profit. Here's the fix. Don't refund your way to poverty. Instead, have a clear redo or refund policy. Protect the brand by making it right, but in a way that strengthens your trust and doesn't weaken your margins. All right, so these are just a few of the starting points in my training program. I walk owners step by step through how to chaos-proof their business using systems, client policies, and contractor pipelines so they can finally get out of the field. If you're ready to stop running a chaotic job and start running a real company, check out the link below in the description. I'm happy to help.